Dear children, once upon a time in the deep forest there was a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy loved collecting acorns and playing with his friends. One day, a little bird whose name was Bila approached Sammy. She was trying to build a nest but was struggling to find soft leaves. Sammy, being a kind and helpful squirrel, decided to assist her. So Sammy gathered the softest leaves and brought them to Bila. Bila was very grateful for Sammy's help, and now Bila built a cozy nest for her eggs. Sammy's friend, that was dog, saw his kindness and joined in bringing strings and more leaves. In the end, Bila had a beautiful nest, and Sammy learned that a small act of kindness could make a big difference. So, sweet children, the moral of our story is that lending a helping hand, no matter how small, it can bring joy to others and create a wonderful community.